Hey guys, it's Alex again with ELEV8, and today we're going to show you how to make a bowl in 5 easy steps using an apple and a couple things laying around the house. You will need an apple, a ballpoint pen, a poker, and don't forget the towel. First, pull out the stem of your apple. Step 2, poke the top of the apple and clean out any debris. Step 3, disassemble your pen, stick the body through the side into the core of the apple. Step 4, take your paper towel and blot the top part of your apple to ensure there's no extra moisture. Step 5, pack that shit up and enjoy, my families. See, it wasn't that hard. Now don't forget to take a bite of your apple. It's kind of like an initiation thing. Well, if you liked what you see today, please let us know by liking and subscribing right here in the corner. And if you want to see some more stuff, just let us know in the comments below. I'm Alex with ELEV8, and I'll see you next time. Hi, I'm Alex from ELEV8. I like long walks on the beach and shoving my finger.